Today I'm going to teach you how to convert a JPG to a transparent PNG in Affinity Designer. This is incredibly useful when you need to remove backgrounds from images for professional graphics, logos, or any design where you want the background to be see-through. First things first, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens up, you'll be ready to get started with your image conversion process. Go ahead and open your existing file or create a new file to work with. Now look at the upper left toolbar where you'll see several options available. Click on Pixel. This switches you into the pixel editing mode, which is essential for working with raster images like JPGs and making modifications to them. Next, click on the image you want to have a transparent background. This selects it and allows you to start working on removing the background elements. Make sure the image is properly selected before moving forward. In the left sidebar, you'll find various tools at your disposal. Click on Object Selection Tool, and from the options that appear, select Selection Brush Tool. This tool is specifically designed to help you paint over the areas you want to keep in your image, making it much easier to separate your subject from the background. Before you start selecting, you'll want to adjust the brush size to match your needs. In the upper left, navigate to Size and click it. You'll see a slider appear. Use this slider, moving it from left to right to adjust the brush size. A larger brush works well for bigger areas, while a smaller one gives you more precision around edges. Now comes the important part. Click on the image you want to have a transparent background and carefully paint over it using the selection brush. Make sure to select all parts of the image you want to keep. Be thorough here and don't accidentally include any of the background in your selection. Take your time to get clean, accurate edges around your subject. Finally, head over to the bottom right panel where you'll see various layer options. Click on Mask Layer. This action will remove the background and change it to transparent, leaving only your selected subject visible. The background is now completely see-through, and your JPG has been successfully converted to a transparent PNG. And that's it. You've successfully converted your JPG to a transparent PNG in Affinity Designer, giving you a clean, background-free image ready for any project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.